Okay. So in Laplace transform, for example, Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. Laplace of 1 is 1 by s. What is t? What is t? Time domain. T is time domain. What is s? Complex domain. So we are converting t domain to s domain, complex domain. That is what the work of Laplace transform. That is the work of Laplace transform. So let us see here. This is the formula for Laplace transform. What is the formula? Laplace of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. So suppose if our function is f of t equal to 1, the function is f of t is equal to 1. So let us substitute in the formula. In the place of f of t, you substitute 1. So you substitute 1. So Laplace of 1 is equal to, that is f of t is 1 here. So Laplace of 1 is equal to. So here, so 1 into e power minus st is e power minus st. So integral e power minus st dt. So I was telling you, integration of e power minus ax dx is equal to e power minus ax by minus a. Am I right? So integral e power minus ax dx is equal to, I told you, e power minus ax integration is the same, e power minus ax. Then you have to differentiate the power and write in the denominator. So very simple. In this problem, you have e power minus st. So in the place of a is s, in the place of x it is t. So here one clarity for you. What is the variable here? X. X is the variable. So you are integrating with respect to x. In this problem, what is the variable? T is the variable. So if t is the variable, s is the constant. Right? So here x is the variable, so a is the constant. So constant comes to the denominator, that is minus a. If you differentiate the e power, that is minus ax. Similarly, so here e power minus st integration. So e power minus st by minus s, because s is the constant. So the limit is 0 to infinity. Now we have to apply the 0 to infinity limit, because this is a definite integral. We have limits here. So the first semester again we saw how to substitute limits. So first always upper limit. So e power minus s, in the place of t you substitute infinity. So e power minus infinity by minus s. This is upper limit minus lower limit. What is the lower limit? E power minus 0 plus 0 is 0 by minus s. So this is what we are going to do now. So what is e power minus infinity? E power minus infinity. E power minus infinity. E power minus infinity is equal to. Madam, what is e power minus infinity? E power minus infinity. E power minus infinity is 0. E power infinity is infinity. Okay. E power minus infinity is 0. E power infinity is again infinity. So this term, so here e power minus infinity is 0. 0 by anything is 0. So 0 minus plus e. What is e power 0? 1. Very good. Right. So at least we know e power 0 is 1. So Laplace of 1 is equal to 1. Here you have by s. Am I right? You have by s. So 1 by s. See, actually t is equal to 1. So time domain we had t value is 1. For that the answer is 1 by s. Now the answer is in complex domain. So this is the work of that Laplace transform. It converts one domain function to the other domain. Now it is in the form of 1 by s. S is complex. Am I right? So similarly, you can solve for each and every term. You can solve for each and every term. So t power n is the function. T power, what is this? E power minus at is the function. E power minus at, e power plus at, sin at, cos at. So for each and every function in t, for each and every function in t, we can find the complex form of the function when we use Laplace transform. So what we are going to do next is we can have some of the values, some of the functions, and we can apply this Laplace transform and understand what is the result.